these burnout marks were from him.
Call her to tell her to come back now. That guy could be a killer.
That's him? That's him?
Deputies responded to reports of a vehicle incident involving juveniles in a Leesburg neighborhood.
Do y'all cameras work right here on this?
This one does, but it's
What's the name of them?
It's Isaac.
What about this one on the side right here? This is a bus stop right here?
My daughter's bus stop is right there at Crestwood, but I wasn't home, so
this happened like right here, where the burnout marks are.
Yeah, these burnout marks were from him.
I can get her to do some
Okay,
paperwork,
but my
and then
phone
we still
doesn't
got.
have anything. I need to use your phone.
Okay, I get a
My
number.
phone don't have a charge. I tried to call her to tell her to come back now. That guy could be a killer.
Okay.
We don't know.
Could you guys identify the driver if you saw him again?
What color is he?
Honey, I wasn't here.
Brittany can.
Where's your
My daughter
daughter
can. He's going to jail. I'm pressing charges. I don't care. These other people don't. I will. I don't care.
I'm gonna be violent.
I'm sick of it.
I'm gonna be violent.
I'm sick of these people.
I'm so sick.
They're on drugs and everything. They act.
Investigators say a call came in about a driver who allegedly swerved toward several young girls shortly after they got off a school bus in a residential area. Authorities say deputies began searching for the vehicle described by witnesses. The driver was later identified as 22-year-old Dylan.
You got some from Detroit chasing this.
That's him? That's him?
Watch the truck. Watch the truck.
Yeah, that's him. That's him.
What you got going on, man?
Why you rapping?
Put your phone on.
I'm on the phone with my mom.
All right, step out. Put your phone on.
Bro, y'all know me, fool.
I know. That's why I ain't gonna tell you.
Bro, why
one more
y'all
time.
grabbing me, bro?
Tell him behind your back.
Bro, why y'all dropping my phone like that, bro? No, y'all talking about niggas driving crazy past our road. Y'all trying to come up here.
Stay over there.
Hey, they gotta come.
Hey.
Stay over
Go
there.
back.
Y'all gotta
Go back
come
over
with
there.
that story. Y'all crackheads, bro. Y'all crackheads. Get a life, bro. Get a life, bro. Can I call my mom, please, fool?
No, we'll talk to you in a minute. All right. Hey. Take it back over there.
Please, bro. It's on speaker. Hello? Who tried to hit who? Pull the cameras. Y'all crackheads, look at y'all. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. Look at y'all compared to me. Look, who's running up on you?
Listen, chill out. We got it.
Bro, y'all crazy as fuck, bro. Why you
Get in the car.
Get in the car, man.
Okay, bro, why you pushing me, bro?
Get in the car.
I understand you're not with bullshit. Stop grabbing me like that. I'm getting in a car, bro.
I'm gonna tell you one more time.
Let me
Step
get one
up
foot
in the car,
up,
man.
and I'm gonna get the other foot up. Why you gonna yank me in there, bro?
Get in.
Bro, look at them and look at me, bro.
Okay, I understand
I
that.
came up here to get some Rillos, bro.
All right, cool.
I got my medical card.
I ain't worried about that.
Okay, pull the cameras.
Okay, start your foot in.
They pulled up on me, running up
Put your
on
foot
me.
in.
Pull the cameras.
I can't. If he did something wrong, he did something wrong. But don't come up disrespecting me. I'm just trying to figure out what the f is going on. I mean,
All right. What's going on?
I don't know.
I've already got. So we can play this as if we don't know what's going on, or what?
I really
people
don't
that
know
said
what's
that
going
you were in
on.
the vehicle.
I mean, I was in the car, but when I was in the car, he was not driving erratically, and we were just going home. That was it. He was driving fine. He was driving, because if he was driving crazy, I would have got the fuck out of the car. I don't play that shit.
Okay. So you're saying you guys were where? Here?
He stopped here for a second, and then we just went home, and that was it. They were already like, I was in the truck right here. And she was like, the lady was screaming, and she's like, did y'all just come off the dirt road? And I was like, no, we didn't. Like, I don't know, like, what you're talking about. And she's like, well, somebody f***ing did. And she's like screaming at me. And so I called him, and I was like, hey, there's a lady out here yelling at me. And then he's like, okay, well, we're just going to go home. And that's what we did. That's literally what happened. She was just screaming. She literally started screaming at me when I was just... But no, that lady literally, I don't know what was going on, but she like just started yelling immediately, and then we went home, and then he came back. No, I don't have any ID or nothing on me.
she don't drive.
But she was just screaming at us, and then when I get another call, somebody was like, I think he's getting arrested. I'm like, for what? Because like we literally weren't even doing anything. And then she's over here screaming in my face again, and I don't even know this lady. Like, I don't even know what the fuck is going on.
Okay.
There you go. I'm gonna get more for whoever else was here that witnessed it.
Well, the lady at the store, but she left for her shift and went home.
Okay, well, that's fine.
Their mom.
No, it was Ariana witnessed it. Because he was coming at my car being aggressive, and I said, Ariana, can you please stop? I said, because if he gets any closer, the way he's aggressive and trying to say, I'm going to run him over, so I need a witness.
All right, so we already let you know about you banging your head.
No, I done told you, bro.
No, we done
you
told
turned
you.
the heat on, not the AC, bro.
That
look how hard
is AC.
No, look how hard it is, bro.
Get out. We
Yes,
already
sir.
told you.
I'm getting out, bro. You don't gotta snatch me around, bro. Please, bro. I'll cooperate, bro.
So you know, it is on.
It's on full blast, like we did.
Stop running your mouth.
All I did was bang, I hit with my elbow.
Don't touch the car.
Yes, sir.
Jason, I got a pull.
Okay, why you snatching me out, though?
Because you're touching your car.
I'm touching your
Yeah,
car.
you're not gonna break
Your car. I'm not gonna break your window. I hit my elbow on your
We
door.
told you and we warned you already.
What am I going to jail for?
Oh, we're trying to investigate, but right now it looks like ag assault. We're trying to hit those people over there.
Hit what people?
The people over
Hit,
there.
okay, show me video.
I don't need video.
You do need video because I never even went on that road. I never went on that road. I came
There's
up
like,
and
I got a full case. You
California.
want to continue to?
I was California and
Hey,
came off. I
listen,
never
listen.
even
I already told you once. I promise you, you
Bro, why
banging
you
my.
grab me?
You
I'm
already
not
know.
doing violent at all, bro. Why you
with you.
grabbing me, bro?
You already know what kind of time I'm on.
I don't care
Touch
what
my
time
window
you're
one more
on.
time.
I don't care.
And you'll see.
I don't care what time you're on,
Put it back
Floyd. You was in my cell searching my room every day, being a bitch ass CO, bro, before I went to prison, bro. That's all you do, bro. I hit the side door with my elbow, bro.
We gave him a warning. He keep hitting
Pull the
it. We're
cameras.
gonna take
Pull
him
the
out and
cameras.
He hit it
Right,
again.
I hit my elbow nicely, bro, and asked if y'all could turn the AC on, bro. That's all I did, bro.
Go. Get in.
Y'all must not like white people, bro. Why y'all throwing me like that, bro?
Is he going to jail?
Yeah.
Police say deputies located a truck matching the description near the area and spoke with multiple witnesses, including juveniles, who said the vehicle drove close to them in separate locations.
Can I get the truck keys from him?
No, we're towing it.
It's my truck.
Right, it was used in the commission of a crime. The Dylan subject is going to be 10 for 10 so far.
Can I know
I
what he's
don't.
going to
I mean,
jail
we were just
for?
sitting right there, and the lady screamed at me. I don't know what.
Because Beth, the neighborhood.
I don't know what he told you, but
trying
we
to
were
say
literally
something
just
about
sitting
you
right
trying to
there and
run her
about to go
over or
home.
something.
Literally about to go home, and the lady started screaming at me, and I called him, and I was like, "Hey,
So
I don't
I
know what
asked
this
him,
lady's
"Can I take
screaming
my
about, but she's
truck?
screaming at me." And
it's my truck,
that
and
was
they
it.
told me
And then
no,
I
because
was
I
at the
was-
house.
But
I got
remember,
dropped
you
off
also
at the
told
house.
me that you don't know what happened because you weren't paying attention.
I told you the lady was screaming in my face. I told you that.
Okay, well, it's on body cam. It's like last time I told you. It's on
Okay, and I told you the lady was screaming in my face. I don't know what happened just now.
Can I get y'all's names though?
Yeah.
Your
So-
kid's name.
Card.
Yeah.
And who's the one that took my kid to jail?
Deputy Fluid.
Fluid?
Fluid. FLUITT. We'll write it down.
FLUITT. So where's my truck gonna go? Man, I don't have no money. And from what I understand, the kid was disrespectful at the house, and he was telling him to leave. And Dylan walked him to the car, and the kid pulled a knife on him, and Dylan grabbed the knife. I guess he grabbed the blade. So the boy couldn't stab him, and then it escalated from there. I guess the boy hit Dylan, and then Dylan hit him back or whatever. From the story, I wasn't there.
Yeah, I mean, obviously they weren't talking to us, so she didn't want to say anything. Neither one of them wanted to say anything. So, okay.
Well, if I would have been there, I damn sure would have told it.
Well. Hello.
How's it going, bud?
No, I'm playing catch up here. What happened? What's all this commotion?
So, Alex,
Yeah, go ahead.
so
Go ahead.
I was
Alex,
sitting
sit
at
down.
home
You mind if I sit down?
here when she got home, so she knows that she'd come to my house or to the neighbor's house
Is that-
for help.
Is that
That's
the one
right.
walking with him right
Yeah,
now?
Yeah.
This is her neighbor, and she was walking up to her because we had just left to take somebody home, and I didn't realize that she was coming in that quick, and I was trying to get back, and she called me and said, "Somebody,
You need to get home now.
you need to get home." So I come, and of course I got the school zone, so I had to go slow. So I get here, and Brittany's like, "I've got the tag number. I'm behind you. We're over on Rancho," and I'm like, "Okay, I'm coming right there." And she goes, "I gotta back off. He's trying to kill me. I think he's gonna hit me."
Well, I was scared for my life.
Yeah,
What
because-
happened was she came in crying upset because he almost hit her. I didn't see that happen. I came out and I see the marks, and I was like, I'm not kidding. You could see where he tried to hit her.
Right here in the
know?
dirt.
Okay.
So-
You took these marks right here coming
Well,
out?
that
Well,
too,
that's
but
when he
down
took off.
farther.
That's
Okay.
from when he took off. It
So
was right
I
up
said,
here.
well, I need to go get my son from school. Let's see if they made it home. because I already told him what happened. I said, let's go. We'll get down here. They weren't here. I had to get my son from a walker. I'm down here at Treadway. If I'm not there, he's going to be wondering where I'm at. So, of course, I said, drive with me. So we go to pull out, and we're about to pass the store, and she's like, oh, my God, Brittany, that's the truck. I'm like, are you sure, honey? She's like, yes. I'm like, okay. So I did. I pulled in. I got behind it. I pulled in like this, so I wasn't really behind it. I was next to it, but I'm behind it, if that makes any sense. He's faced this way, I'm faced this way. Behind it, I'm getting his tag number. And there's a girl in the car, which is probably still up there. She was denying that she was in it. But anyway, I told her, I confronted them about it. I said, I can't believe that you guys just did that and almost hit this girl, and y'all are driving erratically. I said, I don't know if he's drunk, he's high, or what. This is not cool. Next thing you know, he comes out with his alcohol beverage in his brown bag, throwing up gang signs, talking about, why are you buying my truck? Why are you getting my license plate number? And I explained to him what he did. He was laughing about it. He said, oh, yeah, you think this, you think that. And he was just running on a bunch of stuff. Talking about, oh, well, watch this, watch this. I said, buddy, I'm not worried about what you're doing. I already got your tag number. I'm going to handle it. So I went to go pull around like this to go leave to go to the school. And you can see where he jumped the curves down there and tried to hit me with again.
She was never even there. The kids got off the bus.
Correct. So
she said that the kids got off the bus and Dylan went around the kids because the kids were walking on their phone and walking in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
So my sergeant called him out on it. But because she did not sign it, it's none and void.
So we can go get him?
Well, no, the child is different. So the charge, he's only being charged with one count, which was because of the little girl. Not with this, because my sergeant told her that she was full of it and whatever. But the little girl, yes, at this time he is being charged for that. So her car was right there. His truck was right here. I mean, it was over there, but it was something like this. You see him in the video turn the car and gasses it. That's not technically speaking assault. She was under impression because her vehicle was right there. It was assault.
No,
So
they just tried.
technically speaking, I'm just hear me out before we start getting this. She wasn't lying. It just does not meet the it doesn't meet the elements because no one was never outside the vehicle. Again, they were like this. You see him turn the vehicle, or you see him turn the wheels, stomps on the gas, and hauls, and that's what she thought was him aggressively coming at him. So we completely.
Well, you can watch me pull out here. I'm gonna stomp the gas too, just because that truck doesn't even go half the damn time.
I understand.
I mean,
trust me. Well, that's why I had her write a statement on his behalf because he refused.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. Y'all be safe.
But now she keeps coming up here harassing me. Can I call somebody and get something done with her ass?
Okay, yeah, like.
And I mean, it's all
kind of hard because
verbal,
it's a public.
unless she
it's a
acts
public
on it.
lot, and unless she acts.
Yeah, because she has.
Now, if it was your house, different story. But this is open to the public.
Okay.
Yeah, there's
No, I
absolutely
ain't worried about her. I was just trying to.
absolutely not much that we can do. People have the freedom of speech
I ain't gonna
to
call and
say.
waste y'all's time if there ain't nothing that can be done.
People can say what they want to say, unfortunately, but
It's all good.
yes, ma'am. I hope you have a better one. All right.
Later, officers arrested Dylan, 22. He was charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill, driving with a suspended license, threatening a law enforcement officer. Investigators say witness statements and physical evidence from the area supported the claims that the truck was driven in a dangerous manner toward the juveniles. Authorities say Dylan was taken to the Lake County Jail and later released after posting an $8,000 bond. Records show he has had previous encounters with law enforcement in recent years. What's your take on situations like this? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more real-world case breakdowns.